Shark, shark, shark! Oh my god!
In the last video, you saw how I reached Maldives. We took a speedboat from Mole Airport to reach a small island in Vaavu Atoll called Fulidhoo Island.
We have reached Fulidhoo Island.
On reaching the island, we were greeted by the host from Fulidhoo Dive Center and we completed our formalities for the advanced open water course, after which we walked towards our guest house. So let's begin from there.
And now we have checked into our room, so let me just show you the room. This is our bedroom and that's the view from here. The beach is right outside and there's a balcony. Pretty and cozy. It's a small cozy room and I think it's just perfect for our 4-night stay over here. We are staying at Thundi Guest House and the island is pretty small. It's just 700 meters in length, so you can literally just walk around the entire island. We'll just get fresh and head to a cafe because we are super hungry. We haven't eaten since 7 o'clock in the morning and it's 3:30 right now. We reached the island around 3 o'clock. So yeah, we'll get fresh and let's head out. So Maldives is islands and by the sea, so mostly you will find seafood here, and I am a vegetarian plus no onion and garlic, so it's pretty difficult to find food, but I think we'll get it. So we've walked almost the entire island. So that's KU. We are meeting after 1 year. And you have already met Aviral, who traveled with me from Mumbai. There's only one cafe and one restaurant at this island. The island is very small. All the places are almost like 2 minutes to 3 minute walking distance. And we've ordered one vegetable noodles for me, one omelette for Keyur, and one club sandwich for Aviral. We are super hungry. So we had food and it's 6 o'clock right now. It's almost time for sunset. This is the beach right outside our guest house. That's our guest house. That there is our room, the one where the towel is hanging outside, and this is the beach. Now we've come on the other beach, which is more clear. This is the place where we came from in the morning. There's a manta ray. Yera. Nahi. Manta hai. So we have to report at the dive center at 6:30 and it's 10 minutes to 6:30, so we just came by the beach. Look at the waters here. I mean, it's all blue. It's all freaking blue. It's just amazing. And the beach is right in front of the dive center. That's the dive center we have to go to.
अपनी कौन सी बोट होगी कल?
पता नहीं.
लिखा है किसी की फुलीधू डाइव लिखा है.
Oh, oh my god! Ah, there's another shark over there, just casually swimming. Oh my god! Look at that! This is the first time we are seeing a shark. Oh my freaking god, like we just saw a shark right now and I can't believe my eyes, and it's just casually swimming by the shore, by the beach. It's amazing, it's just amazing. God. It's a manta party tonight.
Yeah.
Anybody has any medical?
No.
No,
Healthy.
all healthy.